This is the SmallRig RC100B COB light.
RC100B.
The RC100B Lite.
RC100B.
The RC100B.
It's the RC100B.
The back has a V-mount, and you can also use two NPF-style batteries up to 60% intensity with an extra adapter.
Regarding color accuracy and light output, it has a color rendering index of 97 plus and a TLCI of 98 plus.
It's a 100-watt light that's bi-colored from 2700 to 6500.
You can use up to 12 special effects if shooting video and set 4 shortcuts to specific lighting settings.
Something like the RC100B you can easily pack up into your backpack. Here's my favorite reason for choosing small lights over big lights.
You can wirelessly control the light through the Small GoGo app.